Hey boys, welcome to 8-Bit Repair, where we take broken electronics, try to fix them, and learn something along the way. My name's Chris, and today we're looking at, well, not this. This is my 980 Ti that I've been using to do all my recording with. Notice some lag, and I'm looking to upgrade it. So what we actually have is a 360 Ti currently in my PC. If I open up, here we go, device manager. We get code 43. It's usually a RAM issue, so what I did was I created a bootable drive with Linux. It's got mats and mods preloaded, so it runs it automatically, runs the tests, and then shuts the computer off. And here's the result. We got B1 module is failing. So we're gonna open up the GPU, take a look at B1, reflow it, maybe reball it, see if that clears the issue. If not, we'll replace that RAM. All right, let me get my solidify. Check, 1, 2. This is also a test of not using the big filter. All right, solidify is up. All right, here's the 3060 Ti. Let's get it open. See what's going on with this RAM module. Okay. The way this works on GPUs, they're labeled A1, A0, B1, B0, so on. Where you know A1 starts is going to be opposite the corner of this golden arrow. So we know A1 starts here, that's A0. B1, B0, C1, C0. Let me double check. B1. Okay, very good. So we know this is the module that is troublesome. We get the pre-warmer set up. And then we'll reflow it, see if that clears the issue. Try to just reball. I do have stencil. I won't use the preheater. I gotta pull a whole nother power cable for it. So, let's see if my scrote set up. It's not. Oh, there it is. H56C. 8H24 air. Oh yeah, aren't these the really bad modules that go bad? Just go ahead and pull it off and reball. Here's my preheater. The 2-in-1 preheater and vacuum. I was looking to replace this guy, the glass on it. So, preheater's plugged in. Switch it on. 180. Yeah, 180 should be pretty good. That was a vacuum. So that's how that works. So let's remove the sticker. Okay, put it on the side of this hot plate. Nice, first try. Temperature 420, airspeed 5.52 out of 8. If you do the math, you'll know what percentage that is. A little bit of flux. Should have my fume extractor. Too late for that. Are we already ready to lift off? There we go. Let's go in with a little more flux. I'll clean this up. Oh no, cap. Still on my iron. That sucks. Is that it right there? Reclaim my tip. Alright, I'll deal with that in a second. Move this off to the side. Bring up my iron temp. It's currently set 436. Bring it up to 470. This flux blows. Yeah, that corner needs some attention, so let me come back. That should be it. Very nice. Oh, well, this cap's almost tombstoning. It is tombstoning. But we got a missing pad here. That's no blains. Let's look at this. Oh, let me clean it first. That's a lot of missing pads. I do want to restore this trace and get these capacitors fixed back. So let's do a little bit of trace repair. Looks like it goes into this via. Is that right? It's got to. That's got to be right. All right, so I got these copper trace repair kits. So let's take one of these. It's about the right size. Cool. I know there's a trick to getting these out, but I'm too impatient. Okay. Nice, I sat it right in the thermal paste. I'll set it right there for now. Let go. Cool. Let's go 400 on the iron. Dab with the crappy stuff. Plumber's flux. Should I pull off? Oh, it's already off. I can measure it. 1.175 microfarads. It looks like a 402. There we go. I'm just tinning. Oh. Where is it? So stupid. All right, I'll grab another one of those. Got too excited. Let's think order of operations. Let's replace the cat first. Fix this cap, place this one, put this one back, get the fuzzy out. I'm gonna try to use the iron to get rid of this. No, the board's thick. The board is 3Cs thick. Show that while it's heating. So that's my book of capacitors. Here we go. Probably just a filter anyways, or a bypass, whatever they're called. Just bang it. There we go, brand new capacitor. I'm gonna rotate the board. Just using whatever's on the nozzle. That's what she said. I'm just gonna tin it. Oh, nice. Let me reset. Let's make it pretty. Got too much coffee in me. Oh no, what happened here? A cold solder joint, that's what that was. Motherfucker. I go from, oh, does this look pretty enough? The joint doesn't have that swoop, to just please hold. Try to hit from this side. Doing everything I can to avoid using hot air. Why? Sit down. Good proper welt. Oh, it looks like shit. Oh, I got a bridge. Still a slight bridge. Instead I'm bringing in hot air. Looks factory. Remember that time when I brushed this repair away? Flux makes everything easier. You have a car crash, Flux. Rough time in your relationship, Flux. Your chili needs something, can't quite put your finger on it. It's probably Flux. Actually, cumin. Cumin's the flux of the culinary world. I need to rotate. My goal here, well, my goal is to fix this thing. Easy. First try. That should be okay. Make sure it's not too high up when I put the module down. That would affect the way it sits. Okay. All right, so new day. I went and ordered this new DDR6 chip, but I'm a little impatient. It's totally not economical to try to repair this, but again, I'm impatient and I want to get this card up and running. So we're going to try to do some trace repair on it. Okay. God, so many missing pads. Look at that. You can almost kind of see where they were. Okay. It's not worth it. So we have 35 missing pads total, and let's say it takes 5 minutes to restore each pad, 3 hours to restore this entire chip, and we don't know if the chip's good. 3 hours is not worth $5. I'd rather wait 2 weeks. Fortunately, we just have to play the waiting game. All we can do. Alright, so I got the graphics card put back together. Remember to put the sticker back, and I got the RAM module stuck on the back with tape. So to recap, found out that it was a bad B1 module, took it off, found some rib traces on the back. I think it's not economically feasible to do the repair when I can just get part online for hundreds of cents. It's just not worth my time to do that trace repair. But we got it ready for the new chip. So once that comes in, we'll open this back up, install it, give it another mats mods test, and see if we can get rid of that code 43. Hope you guys learned something. I know I did. Preheater's pretty awesome. All right, catch you guys on the next one. 8-bit out.